So join me for a wig walk and talk. So I'm wearing Zeal, and this is in the color Sandy Silver. It's Noriko, Rene of Paris' Noriko. So we're going to go for a little walk and hopefully get a little talking in and take Lilli, and maybe I can show you a little bit of what the land looks like here in the Netherlands around our neighborhood. So let's get going. Let me get my glasses on and we'll go for a walk. So before we head off on to our walk, I just wanted to show you this Noriko before we take off with Lilli, and she's tugging and pulling. Beautiful colors called Sandy Silver, and you can see just gorgeous. I don't have a lot of daylight here. It's in the Netherlands, and the sun will peek in and out. You'll see how the sun comes in and out. It was out, then it goes behind the clouds, and you're going to see that in the video itself. So this is Zeal and Sandy Silver, and she's just really a beauty. And I'm standing here in front of the harbor, so I'll get a little bit closer to the water. And this is the harbor behind me. This is right in front of our house. Our house is just on the other side, and beautiful. The reeds, and in the summertime there's fountains going, tons of people swimming, and one time it actually, I've only seen it in 5 years, one time actually ice over, and this was all ice, and they cleaned it and made like little tracks for the ice skaters, and the skaters were on all the canals everywhere. It was just glorious. I just really loved it. So I wanted to just give you a close-up. She's a beauty. The fibers are fabulous, and on the walk we'll talk more about her, and I'll let you see, or not let you, but I'll invite you into my world so you can see a little bit about where I live and do a little bit of wig walk and talk. Thanks for joining me. Let's go. He's gonna pull on me and pull on me. So we're leaving. We have a townhouse, and this is the neighborhood, and over there is a harbor. So we have a beautiful harbor that is beautiful to sit around. But we got to get this girl for a little bit of walk. It's beautiful, you know, here in the Netherlands, it's all the time. It is rainy, and you could see everything here is wet. The sun came out, and when the sun comes out, it's just simply glorious. So just love it. I love synthetics. This is a synthetic wig, and I love synthetics because here it's raining so often, and when it's raining it doesn't matter because you're able to get it wet. It's going to retain its look. So, you know, gone are the days when I first moved here and I just wouldn't hardly go out in bad weather because my hair would just fall like a limp noodles, it was awful, looked like a wet rat. And now with my wigs I can go walking and they look just fabulous. Now of course I have my phone in one hand and Lilli in the other, and I would love right now to play with the wig and style it some, but this is just a great wig. Now we're on the back of the houses now. I'll get a little bit further down and then I will show you. We'll follow Lilli, but I'll let you see. Right now we're on the back path. It's a walking and bike path. So all the neighborhoods and all the places, anywhere you see red behind me, that's red. Red means safe for bikers. Gray means safe for pedestrians. And then the rest are for cars. And there's hardly any safe place for cars because of all the bikers and all the pedestrians. Here in the Netherlands now, we're entering kind of the darker time of the year where it'll get to be where the sun doesn't come out till almost 9 o'clock. And the sun's gone by 3:30 or 4, so we're getting ready to enter that time. Let's talk about this Noriko a little bit. I had her in the bubblegum pink, and yes, it really someone asked it, they said, I don't see even a tiny bit of hint of pink, but there really actually is pink. There really is. And the fibers on the Noriko are so soft. And this can be really edgy and flipped out. It can have a lot of volume. It can be sleeked down, but the fibers are super soft. It has a basic cap. And of course I love a great hairline, a lace top. They're fabulous. But a basic cap, people stay away from basic caps a lot of times, but they're really comfortable. The velvet on the front hairline is really soft. And when you have sweeping bangs like this, you don't need, because say the wind did blow it back, chances are I'm going to be inside someplace or just walking to get inside the store or into the car. Nobody's going to see it if the wind blows back and you don't see a hairline. Chances are if it's that winding, I don't know, maybe I'd be wearing a hat or something, but believe me, no one's going to know. I wore the Zeal flying back from America, Texas to the Netherlands. I wore her for 24 hours because between the time I got up that morning, put her on, waiting at the airport, early check-in, going through all of that, change of planes, finally getting to the Netherlands, it's almost like a 24-hour event. And I wore it for 24 hours by the time we drove home and I took it off. So it was fabulous. I didn't get checked at the airport or anything. Now, I've got to turn this around some and let you see the countrysides. So we have it turned around now, and I wanted you to see a little bit of what our countryside looks like. So this is just walking out of our neighborhood. There's a tiny canal. Just about every piece of land, every neighborhood has a little canal like this, because all of the Netherlands was created, pretty much a third of it, from the sea. So you can see here, this is where we like to take Lilli for a walk. And these are some of the homes built with a little canal around them. And these aren't very Dutch, these are very modern. So I'll have to get some videos of showing you some really Dutch homes and style, because I love the way it looks. So yeah, there's Miss Lilli. Go Lilli, go. Let's go. She's about ready to go back. We're walking to the gate, girl. I like to walk her down to the gate down here. And usually spring and summer, there'll be geese, there'll be swans in this field. You know, the kind of swans that you see in fairy tales. That's what it looks like. Come on, Lilli, to the gate. Come on, Lilli, to the gate. Lilli, come. But, so this is Miss Lilli, and this is how we do it. We're walking in the Netherlands. This is a bike path. You see another biker coming. We're almost to the gate. Okay, here's the gate. Actually, right here is where we'll stop. This is where there's a cow guard, because a lot of these farmers here have cows. So that is our bit of a walk with Miss Lilli. We're going to head back now. The wind is starting to pick up. You see the gray clouds. And that's the way it is here. Sun was out when we started the walk, and now these gray clouds have covered us in such a short period of time. And with that, you know, it's probably going to at any minute begin to rain. So I think Lilli and I need to get her and make our way back. So this was a little bit of Wig Walk and Talk with Mel here in the Netherlands. And I know it's probably a little bit, because I'm trying to do this and walk Miss Lilli at the same time and keep her from doing what she doesn't need to be doing. You know how it is when you're walking a dog sometimes. So I hope you enjoyed our little Wig Walk and Talk. And I'll take some pictures of this and post those. This is Zeal from Noriko. And thanks for joining me on this bit of walk in the Netherlands with me and sharing a little bit about wigs. If there's anything you want to know, any tips or tricks that you would like me to do some film on, some video, please put in the comments below. Be sure to like and follow, and I'll see you in the next video, my darlings, doing